Canada BC or Real Estate Trading License Tutorial Course Introduction. Frequently asked questions. Course format. Our courses are pre-recorded video lessons, so you can watch them whenever it's convenient for you. How can I get access to the program? Once you register the program on our website, you'll receive a confirmation email. This email will include your account information, which you can use to log into our website and access your video lessons. How long will I have access to the program courses? The program is usually valid for 6 months. If you need more time, you can extend the validity by paying an additional fee. What if I have questions? Can I talk to the instructor? Yes, you can. We offer different course options. Some include live sessions with the instructor, and some don't. If you choose a course without live sessions, you can still purchase a live consultation separately if needed. How long does it take to complete the program? Our tutorial program includes a total of 40 to 50 hours of content. How long it takes to finish depends on your own pace. However, we recommend completing the program within 2.5 to 6 months to achieve the best results. Do you offer mock questions? Yes, we do. You can purchase our course summary and mock questions separately. Note, these materials are not included in the video course, but registered students are eligible to buy them at a discounted price. Can I purchase only part of the program? Yes, you can. Our school allows you to purchase individual chapters instead of the entire program. We recommend you to buy all chapters in order to get the best results. Have a look at the course content and learning objectives below. Thank you for listening. Reach out for any questions.